Myrias software monitors, captures, and reports weight data along every point of business operations. Use Myrias in a variety of operations for process monitoring and automation, including check weighing, offline sampling, batch recipe formulation, pallet weighing, and more. Compatible with all brands of weighing hardware, Myrias can also be installed on a single PC or run from a central server with network-connected workstations. Myrias software is modular, so you can choose only the options you need and create a solution for your specific processes. As operations expand, Myrias can expand with you. Throughout production, Myrias supplies operators with clear, accurate, traceable reports on all materials. Incoming material traceability modules include options for inbound goods processing, quality and quantity verification, raw material storage, production stock, and manufacturing. Myrias also provides post-production product traceability to help simplify any potential recall processing. Outgoing product modules include packaging, finished product storage and dispatch, or shipping options. Additionally, Myrias software has modules for order processing, production planning, quality assurance, and even human resources. Learn more about the benefits your business can achieve with Myrias software.